Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today for Creative Escape Papercrafting February 2019 fully loaded kit. So let's dive into some of the products in this month's kit. First we'll focus on the Let's Go to the Movies stamp set, and this is by Creative Escape Papercrafting's line. And this is their second stamp set that has been released, and this is a movie theme where you have a drink, a box of popcorn, candy, another eaten candy bar, spotlights, a sucker, sunglasses, and then a separate stamp for popcorn, and then just little bits of candy, and then an assortment of faces that can be stamped on any of the candy bars or goodies there. You get a nice frame where you could add sentiments, and you get a star, happy, get well soon, popping by to say, celebrate, the graduate now showing, is born, you are sweet, hi, birthday, it's a girl, it's a boy. So lots of great sentiments in this stamp set. This is also made in the USA, and it is a photopolymer clear stamps. Very good quality stamp set. Next in the kit, you will get a Cottage Cuts film strip die. This will go great with the movie theme. Have the Nouveau Jewel Drops, and this is the color Limoncello. Pretty yellow, very light yellow color for that. And then we'll have in the kit these adorable brads, and they are also movie themed. You get the film reel, and then this little, I forget what this is called. And so anyway, you get 3 of each. Just turn those over so you can get a good look at those. I'll bring those in a little closer so you can get a good look. Super cute for the movie theme. A 4x4 Heidi Swap frame, and these will come in assorted colors. This is a teal, and it is a glittery frame. Set that aside. Next, let's move into our cardstock. So you will receive 12 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 8.5 Echo Park Summer Dots and Stripes, and this is what the paper looks like. It's nice quality, so you get your choice of patterns, but there are 2 of each. So we've got this darker blue, and then we have a lighter blue. Love the polka dots. Beautiful summer green. And then we have a red. Beautiful orange. We have yellow, which matches perfect for the Nouveau Drops. And then you'll also receive 1 sheet of 8.5 by 5.5 mirrored black cardstock, 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11 110-pound white cardstock, which is alcohol friendly, also a sheet of 8.5 by 11 pink canvas textured 65-pound cardstock. Also, you'll receive that in the blue and also the green, 8.5 by 11. And then a sheet of 8.5 by 11 navy corrugated textured cardstock. Nice and heavy pound on that. Also a 6 by 6 white card and envelope ready to decorate and send off. And then let's move into a few of the other decorative items in the kit. You will receive 5 movie tickets, one yard of yellow and polka dot ribbon. This is grosgrain ribbon. One yard of light blue and white polka dot ribbon. Love the colors, and they go perfect with this shade. Let me move this into the frame so you can see the beautiful matching colors. And 1 yard of white and blue baker's twine. And 1 yard of green and white baker's twine. And then the last item in the kit for the monthly subscribers is Let's Go to the Movies cut apart sheet. Love the curtain. And that covers the whole kit for this month, you guys. So head on over to Creative Escape Papercrafting and have a look at this kit. It's an awesome kit and perfect for the coming months. So I will be posting projects fairly shortly to feature these items in the kit. So I hope you'll join me for that. Thank you for watching. Take care.